Welcome to TheTechSpace, everybody, and on this channel, unlike any other channel, I have tons of videos on how-tos, repairs, fixes, and all of that for anything that you could possibly think of technology. If I don't have the video up, you can suggest it to me, and I will make the video personally just for you to have that video again on how to fix something that I haven't made. So a little bit on me personally, I'm an author. I've written 4 books. I have I have 3 YouTube channels. I have a gaming channel, I have TheTechSpace, my technology channel, and I have a vlog channel which I most recently started, which you can go to in all of the links down below in the description. If you don't want to go to those channels, you enjoy technology, you're in the correct place because I have college courses on computer science, computer programming, computer networking, operating systems. If you want to use virtual machines, if you want help with your social media management, business, analytics, building a fan base. So in TechSpace, you're going to be able to learn anything about technology possible. And that is what the goal is with the TechSpace. Any video you guys want, any content you guys want, any topic you guys want, if it's about technology, I'll make it. Leave the comment in the comment section below, and I will personally respond to you, and more than likely make a video on the topic if I can't solve it for you right then and there. If you're having the problem, somebody else is having the problem, so that influences me even more to make the video, because again, more people are going to be in need or need help with that specific problem as well. I have tons of content on my channel, so you guys can go check it out. I would appreciate it so much if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I've been working very hard to get content out to you guys, and recently has been something I've been working very hard on doing. So if you want to learn how to do all of that, stay tuned to the TechSpace, and you're going to be watching the best videos on technology on YouTube and learning the most about technology. So this might not be the best place if you want to look at reviews, if you want to look at funny little meme videos. Go watch those channels. I'm going to be making real technology videos that are actually going to teach you life skills about life. So if you want to learn life skills about life and you want to get a job, you want to learn a skill that will carry over for the rest of your life, you've come to the right place. If you want to watch a review channel, you want to watch somebody dance in front of their screen, go watch that video. This is not the channel for you. If you are a tech and you are like me, ambitious, and you're ready to get things done, subscribe to this channel, click like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.